Welcome back everyone. Today we are introducing something new in our house design series. We have designed a house project with the help of Sketchup and Lumion software. It has been designed keeping our client requirements. It is a compact 3 BHK duplex house design built in one of the most challenging site conditions. The site is a 4-cent triangular plot in Kerala, which is having a sloping terrain. The house is designed in 2 levels to overcome the challenge of sloping site. Exposed brick and concrete is used to give a natural look to the exterior while cutting the cost. The house is designed to be minimalistic and make use of natural lighting and ventilation to the fullest. Extensive use of glass in the interiors have enabled transparency and a pathway for natural light. The house acts as a single unit despite being in 2 floors by innovative design practices, as you can see in the full walkthrough design. But before we take a full walkthrough of the house, please subscribe to our channel for more such interesting house design ideas. Now sit back and enjoy the design. That's all for now guys, and please comment which aspect you like the most in the design and where all it can be improved. Also comment for any design related queries. Thank you.